for an elf foot vibe, no.
Do you like it with the toque, Lex?
Need to drive. It's like, wow.
Happy 2020. Okay, was that like, I sounded like a news reporter there. 2020. Yeah, it's 2020. We're back with vlogging. This morning, I just took some Instagram photos, but I've literally been in sweatpants for 2 weeks. This is my first day getting dressed. Cheers to that. Anyway, I wanted to show you, this morning I had Shelly come in. I will link her Instagram, but she is gonna organize my house. If you missed last year's vlog, I put in this closet. It's kind of messy right now. From IKEA, this is like the Pax wardrobe system. And then these are the Billy bookshelves. So I put this whole wardrobe in, and then what she's gonna do is she's gonna help me like figure out where everything should go. I obviously have a lot of stuff for my job. She's gonna help me organize like all my product, all my clothes, and I'm super excited about it. And then in terms of my house, nothing much has changed. I just have this couch. My ottoman is coming on Wednesday, and then this is where the dining room is gonna go. I've kind of like started figuring out where art's gonna go. I have bar stools. It's kind of the same. I am hoping to have my place done by the end of January, and yeah, that's pretty much that. I have some emails and stuff to do, and then that's all I got. I'm gonna take a very interesting photo. I'm gonna say this doesn't look good.
How do people do this and like it looks good? My foot looks so fucked.
Not quite the vibe you were going for?
I wasn't going for an elf foot vibe, no. I can't do it. It's too ridiculous.
So I'm at the office today. I just got here. It's like 11:30, but I had Shelly come in this morning. She is at my place organizing the entire thing, which is so great. So I'm gonna get home tonight and my place is gonna be super organized. Oh my God. We have to walk up 3 flights of stairs to get to our studio. I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. How pretty is this? It smells like shit in here though. So we're doing a bunch of Uncle stuff today. It's our first day back at Uncle after the new year. I am so out of breath. I also had a smoothie this morning, so if my teeth are purple. It's the G7X Mark III. I think it's shittier than the Mark II actually.
I had to get the camera.
We're at the office. We're doing a 2019 overview, and then we're gonna do a 2020
oats milk.
Tastes like normal milk, stupid. Better for the environment. Do you like Bobby's shirt? He asked me if I would buy it for him while he was in while I was in New York. He was like, I'll pay you back. He's like, I'll pay you back. It's been a year and a half.
This year I'll have money.
It's from Noah. That's a sustainable brand. Guys, sustainable brand, Noah. I'm at home now. It took me a while to get home because traffic was bad and I left at rush hour. And then I had to get my legs lasered. I'm doing laser hair removal at 10 spot on my legs now. Just lower legs. Worked really well. I've done like 3 sessions and literally it's amazing. So I want to show you what Shelly did so far. She really killed it so far. So we have bags all there. This is all subject to change. Then my shoes, heels and stuff. And then this is kind of like a nice show area. I'm not sure if we'll have to change this. Just depends on, I don't know where half my stuff is yet. So she got these inserts for all my jewelry, which I thought was really great. And then it looks like we have blazers there, and then short dresses here, long dresses there. And then it looks like we have pants here. Or are these shorts? Oh, these are all shorts. Okay, so I have no idea what my jeans are. I know she's tackling the rest tomorrow, so we'll see. Yeah, what I wanted to talk to you guys about is kind of like a single life update. I'm not sure if I'll talk about it right now, but I feel like it's been enough time to like kind of just take you through. I mean, you've seen obviously because I've been vlogging and stuff, but if you're new and just joining, I had a long-term boyfriend who was very active on my channel. We were dating for 2 years and we actually broke up in July. I think you guys think we broke up in September because that's kind of like when we announced it, but we actually broke up end of July, like the last weekend. So August, beginning of August we broke up. So I've been single and this is why I'm in a new place. I'm kind of still moving in. It's been good. Like, I feel really good now. I put up my how to get over a breakup video, but I actually feel really good. I feel like back to myself. I feel like I have some routines, you know, been dating a little bit. And it's been really fun. So I've had a good time. I went out a lot. I saw a lot of friends, and you know, I partied a little and it was great. And now it's like January and I'm kind of just like wanting to stay inside. Maybe I'll go into a little more detail, but I was thinking it'd be fun to like do dating apps. Like Sasha and I like sitting and trying some dating apps. Sorry, I just got really distracted by I didn't know it was plugged into something. I feel really good, and I think that's like the main thing. So I guess I just want to get across is that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and I know breakups can be like so hard and devastating, and it feels like you're never going to be happy again, or it feels like you'll never find someone, or I guess I want to get across it, like you can feel so happy and fine. There are so many people in the world, and like after a breakup, when you get your like first crush on someone, you're like, oh, it's gonna be okay, you know? Like I can feel that way again, and it's exciting. So I feel like I'm gonna kind of talk about this throughout the vlog, and maybe, you know, talk to Sasha and stuff and whatever, but I kind of wanted to give a little update, and I'll see how much more I want to share. But right now I have some work to finish up, and yeah. Thinking of captions. Stay cozy, my friends. I love your hair today. Thanks. That's my hair every day. I can't make fun of you.
This fucking rat tail.
It's cute.
It's pretty thick. Today's a day that we stay inside the whole day. We just took photos, but that's what we're doing today. What else? Oh, we're gonna get on TikTok. Follow me, Allegra_Shaw, TikTok.
Happy Thursday. We are going to film the freezing cold outfits video. My least favorite video to film, purely because you have to bring so much stuff and because it's so hot to film, but I think the outfits are gonna be good. This vlog's sponsored by Away, which is super exciting, and the reason why I want to sponsor by Away because, well, first, look how many Away suitcases I have. 1, 2, and then there's usually one there, and we have 3, and then 4 in there. I also use their packing cubes all the time. Every time, not only do we use Away suitcases for travel, we also use an Away suitcase every single time we go to a studio to film a video. So this is the expandable Away suitcase. Pretty. It is waterproof, it is super durable, it has an expandable zipper feature here. I showed this in my LA vlog. This is the wrong. I showed this in my LA vlog. You can unzip here. It creates about 2.5 more inches of space, which is really great for travel because every time I travel, I come back with more than I went with. And you can just expand your suitcase and you don't have to buy a new one. The suitcases I have the most of are this one here, which is the aluminum, and I love the aluminum cases so much. I think they just like are super aesthetically pleasing. I think they're super durable. I like the clasp feature, which let me show you. There's no zipper detail. It's like these big chunky clasps, which I really like because I find them just easier to overstuff and then like sit on and just snap them. So yeah, we use Away suitcases all the time. Pretty much once a week we're using an Away suitcase. So thanks Away for sponsoring this video. Really small. Happy Friday night. I forgot to vlog today, but it was actually kind of a chill day. But I kind of wanted to give you more of a, first, shoes have been organized, bags are there. This needs to be sorted out. That's to go to the dry cleaners. This is to go to the office. Some space here left. Have all my jewelry, all my shorts and skirts, blazers, dresses, pants, bathing suits, and then sunglasses, sports bras, leggings, crop tops, and tube tops. That's a printer that I bought. We have extra outerwear and like shirts. Hi, perfumes. She really killed it. I will leave her info down below. And I'm pretty sure she's offering some like discounts and stuff. If you need an organizer, you can just tell her my name. We have sweaters I need to purge because I don't need this many sweaters. Sweatshirts, jeans, and then more jeans there. T-shirts, also some purging could be done here. Towels, and then even look how like organized my bras are. And these are like cups, like little lingerie. It's just, everything is just so organized. Obsessed. She did an amazing job. I just got my nails done. Now I'm gonna learn a TikTok dance. Follow me on TikTok, Allegra_Shaw, because this is where we're at. So I'm trying to learn the Say So dance. It's just embarrassing. So here we go. I'm too old to do this. Oh, I don't know, guys. I think I'm too old to do this. I'm actually cringing. TikTok is so, like, I get why people like it, but it's so cringe. Oh my god. I'm practicing. Oh my god, this is so cringe. I am cringing for myself. I can't take myself seriously doing this. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna be doing this for the next fucking 10 minutes. Anyway, I am done with TikTok for this evening, but I promise I'll get the Say So dance at some point. So the other night I was talking about being single, and I know I put up like a how to get over a breakup video, and I kind of like updated you on where I'm at. So yeah, like it's a new year. I feel like after my breakup I was just like pretty focused on myself and like doing my own thing. We only broke up at the beginning of August, but like there was problems for like a while, you know? Every breakup was just so different, and I felt with this one it was like I felt like I had already grieved like while I was in the relationship. I knew something was wrong. I knew it was kind of like ending. So my grieving process after wasn't like as big as maybe other times because I had like kind of already done it. But so now like I feel good, and I feel when I like moved into this place and like I got my shit together, and I kind of like reestablished a new routine, which I had honestly kind of already been doing. Like you guys noticed that Joey wasn't around as much towards the end, and I kind of just like had already established like a new routine. So like, but like I definitely kept up with my workouts and making sure I was busy and seeing friends. Like I would see friends every night, and like those things really helped me kind of get through. I made new friendships, and obviously I took my time and like I grieved and stuff, but like I went full force into I'm gonna like get my shit back together. And it really like it worked, and I feel good. Obviously like there are days, you know, like I think about Joey, and we were so close and we were best friends, and like he's not really in my life anymore. We are still like friendly, but you know, like it's hard to be like really close friends after you break up, just because there's a kind of a weird period. I definitely miss having him around. He was so fun and so great, and we got along really well. So I definitely miss that sometimes, but like it's just, that's what life is, and I hope that Joey and I can be really good friends in the future. I just think it's gonna take time, obviously. I feel great. I'm in a really good place. I feel like I'm my normal self. I am, as I said, I've gone on dates, and I'm not really like looking for anything. I'm just like having fun, and I'm really like focused on myself, which is great. I will let you know relationship-y updates when I feel it's appropriate. I don't know when my next relationship is gonna be, or how it's gonna be. Obviously YouTube is an interesting place, and someone has to be very comfortable in order to be on it, but I don't know, we'll see. I think that's like a very weird aspect of my life that someone is gonna have to get used to, and because of how public Joey and I were, I don't know if I want to do that again. I'm sure like, but again, this is my life, so I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. I think that's jumping a little far ahead. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna go for dinner tonight. Friday, and yeah, I will see you on Monday. Peace and love. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Love you all. Bye.